So, welcome to the channel. My name's Bo and I'm a middle-aged Brummy bloke from Warwickshire, and I've been riding bikes for quite a few years now. I'm fortunate enough to have a girlfriend who's recently passed her motorbike test, so we go out occasionally, well quite regularly actually, on our bikes. She's got a Tracer 900 and I've got this GS, and we explore different parts of the country. We love our ride outs. So I'll put a link to her channel below because she's got her own YouTube channel, and I'm just starting out. This is my first official vlogging video, and yeah, my plan is to do some green laning. It's something that's interested me for quite a while. I've done a little bit, but I need to improve. I want to explore all the green lanes and the TET all around the UK, and yeah, I just thought I'd start the channel and take you on the journey with me. So if green laning and trail riding, off-roading and doing adventures is something that you think you might enjoy, then stick around. I think it'll be enjoyable. So, going back to what I was saying, what I'm really looking forward to is exploring places on green lanes and trail riding, but I need to get a bike that will be more suitable for it. Now, I love my GS. The GS 1250 has been absolutely brilliant, and it's really comfortable on the road, but it's a bit like it's just like a Swiss Army knife. It's very good at a lot of things, but it's not exceptional at any. Well, I say that, I've seen some people do amazing things on these, but certainly for me, starting off, I think that I need to get something that's a lot lighter, so I can build my confidence, build my experience, and start to, you know, be more knowledgeable and skillful to be able to tackle more and more challenging trails. So what I plan on doing is buying a bike. I'm going to keep the GS. That's great for the road and stuff. Bear with me, there's a person walking past. Oh yeah. Hello.
96.
I always feel like a bit of a div when I'm talking to the camera and there's people walking past. I guess the longer you do this, the more experience you get with it, the more confident you get with it. But I feel a bit silly just talking into a camera. Anyway, so I need to get a smaller bike, well, certainly a lighter bike, and so far I've narrowed it down to 3. There might be some others out there. If there are, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what bikes you would recommend. I'm 6'2.5", so between 6'2" and 6'3". I am just over 100 kilograms, so I'm not the lightest, and I've got a budget of about up to £4,000. So that either means a new voge. Cheers, buddy. So, where was I? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm thinking that the new Voges, the Voge 300 Rally, that's coming in at about 3,500 plus on the road. I am also looking at the KTM Adventure 390, but for about that sort of money, you're looking at about 2022 with about 5,000 or 6,000 miles on the clock. So it's a 3 or 4 year old bike. And then the last one, and these are in no particular order, it's the CRF 300L. Now, those certainly hold their price. I know when they came out, there was £5,000, but that's going back in 2020. And now they are about, I think about £6,500, correct me on that, brand new. So I'd have to buy a second-hand one. So second-hand, you're probably looking at a 2021 with about 3,000 miles, something like that on it. The question is, do I have a second-hand bike
with a few thousand miles on it that's got a pedigree and it's built to last? Or do I take a risk on something like the Voge 300 Rally, which seems to have good suspension? So you tell me. There might be another bike out there. There might be the Himalayan. Some people have mentioned might be suitable. There might be I love the Tenere 700, but it might be a bit too heavy at this moment in time, because as soon as I hit a bit of mud, I'm probably not going to be able to save it. And also they're too expensive. You know, I'm not going to pick one of them up for less than £4,000. Well, I'm not going to pick one up for less than £6,000 probably. So that one's out the picture. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Give me your opinion, and yeah, and I'll go from there. Once I've picked the bike, what I plan on doing is going and exploring some trails and letting you see how bad or how good or bad I am, and you can give me some tips and tricks on how to improve. So that'll be interesting. And also gear. What gear do you reckon I should wear? Do I need to get different boots? I presume I do, ones that will save my ankle. And what about trousers and armour, etc.? It's a minefield of what you can actually get online and the different advice that you get. So that's why I've turned to the channel, to see what you guys who are watching this would recommend. I think that's it. I think that's it for now. The next video, hopefully I'll be able to give you an update on what bike I'm sort of swaying towards, and yeah, we'll go from there. So if you haven't done already, then please like and subscribe. That will give me an idea of whether or not this is a content that people want, or I'm barking up the wrong tree. But either way, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, please comment, and I will definitely comment back. All your help is really appreciated. So thank you very much.